This I like, innovations that redefine entertainment, travel, and style. We're talking about tech that isn't just about functionality, but also designed to seamlessly integrate and enhance your lifestyle. If you're all about embracing the future today, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links in the description where you can get these amazing finds. Ever wished for a flying sidekick that captures your every move without complaining? Enter the Hover Air X1, essentially a selfie stick with wings, but smarter and definitely not as awkward to carry around. Weighing less than a morning coffee and folding up faster than a beach chair, this gadget launches from your hand. Designed to track your adventures at up to 15 miles per hour, it's like having your own personal filmmaker, ensuring not even the trickiest skateboard tricks or fastest sprints go uncaptured in crystal clear 2.7K. And for those who prefer their content smooth, it stabilizes footage with its triple stabilization system. Sharing your feats is a breeze too. With a few taps, your adventures are ready to wow your social media followers. Plus, with its fully enclosed design, it's safe around the clumsiest of friends. The Hover Air X1 is the loyal flying companion you didn't know you needed, turning every outing into a blockbuster-worthy escapade. Imagine a world where you can switch up your tattoos faster than you can change your socks. Check out the Printer S temporary tattoo device, the ultimate tool for commitment phobes and edgy artists alike. In just 3 seconds, you can slap on a design from a vast library of over 12,000 tattoos or flaunt your own quirky creation. It's like having a magic wand for your skin, but instead of spells, you're casting ink. Safety, we're talking 100% non-toxic, water-resistant, just soap and water, and poof, it's gone. With each pack, you get everything you need: a printer, battery, ink cartridge, skin primer, and a charging cable, ready to arm you for about 1,000 rounds of inky fun. Perfect for any event where you want to be the talk of the town without regretting that permanent lower back tattoo like your Aunt Cindy. These aren't your average earbuds. They're a statement that says, yes, I'm jamming out, but we can still chat. Thanks to the pioneering open-ear design and open audio technology, you get the richness of private sound without shutting out your surroundings. It's like being in your own personal concert hall where the music envelops you courtesy of Bose's immersive audio spatialized sound, making every note feel closer and every beat a part of your world. These earbuds aren't just about sound, they're about a seamless fit that feels good and stays put. Designed with a flexible joint and a unique grip, they hook gently around the back of your ear, letting you stay tuned in and comfortable. And if water decides to splash, drip, or spray its way onto you, the Bose Ultra open earbuds stand tall with their IPX4 water-resistant and acoustic mesh protection, keeping the tunes flowing regardless of the weather. Battery life, it's like they knew you'd never want to take them off. With up to 7.5 hours of playtime, extended further to an astonishing 19.5 hours with the charging case, these earbuds ensure the music hardly ever stops. Simple button controls make it a breeze to dive between stereo and immersive soundscapes or take a call without missing a beat. This isn't your ordinary sleeping pad, it's like having a portable throne of comfort, combining the regal softness of 30D support foam with the loyal squishiness of 40D support foam. Picture this, you're lying down and instead of greeting the hard, cold embrace of Mother Earth, you're floating on a supportive cloud that knows and loves your body's every curve and contour. But here's the kicker, the pad is like a Swiss Army knife of comfort. Indoors, it transforms any floor into a VIP lounge, perfect for movie marathons or impromptu guest accommodations. Outdoors, it's your faithful companion, turning the rugged wilderness into a cozy, plush retreat. And when adventure calls, roll it up, stash it away, and off you go, leaving no comfort behind. The Gaia Loop comes with a waterproof and washable cover. The Kodak Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Projector is turning small living spaces into an expansive cinema with the push of a button. This tiny titan not only enlarges your smartphone's display to an eye-popping 150 inches of vivid imagery, but also brings versatility with wireless mirroring and a variety of hookups, ensuring you're always just a few taps away with your next big screen adventure. Sporting a sleek design, it boasts crystal clear 16:9 projection, 60 ANSI lumens of brightness, and even supports 4K resolution, ensuring every pixel of the family photo slideshow shines in full glory. Perfect for those who prefer a cable-free experience, its built-in speaker and rechargeable battery make it a beacon of portability and convenience. Just remember, while it's ready to bring almost anything to life on your wall, mirroring that latest binge-worthy show from Netflix or Hulu will need a little extra help from your streaming device. So, in a world where size and clarity matter, let the Kodak Luma 150 be your tiny yet mighty getaway to giant, vibrant entertainment. That's it for today. Which one captured your imagination the most? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out everything we explored today with the links in the description. Thanks for tuning into This I Like, and remember, you I like too. See you in the next video.